Katie, what do you got? What do you got, Katie? Katie! What's that? No. Ready? I got your toy. Look at this toy. It's like a little hippo. I don't know what it is. She loves it. Ready? Nope. Get back there. Get back there. Ready? No. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Get it. She loves it. Look, now she's go back in her hidey hole. What's back here? Chewed up pencil. Things she's licked out of. Sweaters. Things chewed up. Now I have to get back there and get her. Get it if I want to play with her. Oh, she ran away. Oh, there it is. I got it. What's she gonna do? What's she gonna do? What's she gonna do? Ready? Ready? No, 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 no. Get it. Just bounced off my butt. Now she's hiding with it. She does drop it. She likes me to play with her with it. See if I can fool her again. Ready, Katie? Katie, come here. Ready? Go get it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where? Where is it? Where is it? Where? Where is it? Oh, she knows I have it. You're too smart. You're smarty. You're a smarty pants. Ready? Come here. Come here. Pink. Did you see? I don't know. She's so fast, it's hard to get her on video. Katie. Well, you're getting a workout. Ready? Boop, boop, boop. She booped it twice. It's so hard. I don't even know if I caught any of that on video. It's so fast. Katie, I see your little bum hanging out. There she is with it. Where's she going? She's going by Mom. She loves it. I think she's getting tired though. Anyway, end the video. You're cute, Katie.